this pointer. Every object has a special pointer. This which points to the object itself. This is a keyword which is used to refer the current object. Okay, see, for consider this getData is in class sample. Okay, class sample is a class where I am defining this getData. Okay, so I am in a main function, I am creating some object. So in the main function, I am creating an object for this class sample S1. And then I am creating S2. Then I am using S3. Okay, so now I want to use getData S1 dot getData. Okay, so S2 dot getData and S3 dot getData. So if I use this, sometimes some confusion may happen. So whether S1 dot 12,10 or S2 dot this or what it is. So to avoid that confusion, they are using this. This means it will refer the current object. Okay, if there is a one or two object, we can easily identify. If there are 100 of objects, we cannot identify which object is executed at currently. Right? So currently which object is executed, that will be referred by this. See, now I call S1 dot getData. So in S1, in a memory location, I will store this S1 dot X value is 12. S1 dot Y value is 10. And after some set of process, I called S2 dot getData. So it refers that S2 dot X value is 12 and S2 dot Y value is 10. Okay, so this operator is used to refer to the current object. It will indicate the current object.